Alright, YouTube, back again. Just straightening stuff up, getting stuff ready for the winter time. Got the cart sitting over here, covered up. I don't think I'm going to have time the rest of this fall to get to it. Be so darn busy getting all these leaves out of my yard. Got the other mower right here, Frankenhusky, and my Craftsman. Just parked them. I just got to straighten a little stuff up and blow some more leaves. Get all this done. And it's a nice warm day, mild day, and nice sunset through the trees there. If you get past my dog yard. And if there's anybody out there, please leave a comment, subscribe, whatever. I know I can be boring. So I'll cut this short and bye for now.